Alrighty then, we are more than halfway there. We're going to learn how to group it. Okay, now this is one of the more important tutorials in this whole entire list of tutorials, because this is how we are going to make holes in our shapes. It really helps us make holes in our shapes. It also helps us combine things to make different shapes. So let's give it a shot. Okay, group it. It says building with basic shapes is a lot of fun. Yeah, it is. But did you know you can combine shapes to create new ones? Let's try grouping some shapes. Okay, it says continue in the next step. It says group the shapes on the left. The cylinder shape on the left is set to an orange color. The cylinder on the right is set to be a hole. Okay, so here's our cylinder on the left. It's orange. Okay, let's close that dialog. Okay, you see that cylinder on the left. And then the cylinder on the right is meant to be a hole. Okay, you see that one. Okay. Says, let's see what happens when we group a box with each of these shapes. All right, says, select the box on the left by left-clicking on the shape. I'm going to also focus in on it so we can see it. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and also select the orange cylinder. So I'm holding the Shift key down. You can't see me holding the Shift key down, but trust me, I'm holding the Shift key down. Click on the cylinder. Now, if you notice in this drop down that often shows up when I'm trying to get things done, it says now I have two shapes here. In parentheses, it says shapes 2. Okay, see it, shapes 2. Now, with both shapes selected, we're going to click the group button on the toolbar. Okay, so up here on the toolbar is the group button. Okay, see if I hover over it, it gets a little dialog and shows me group. So I'm going to click on that. Now, both shapes turn the same color. They are now one piece. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the right. See, now if you notice, if I go and drag this around, it's all one piece. So let's try it over here. I'm going to click on the box, and I'm going to shift, click on the cylinder. Notice it says two shapes right here. I'm going to group it. And if you notice, it cut a hole out. So anything, whoops, sorry, there we go. Anything that is shaded like this, on this side there's a box and a cylinder, and there's other things we can make into a hole, you can use to combine, and then it'll cut that shape out. Okay, that's how you make holes. Awesome. Now take your screenshot, make sure I can see both of these, and then put that in your slideshow so that you can turn it in when we're all done. All right.